Hi everybody. Today I'm here with Dr. Michael Horowitz, owner of Vancouver Orthotics and Doctor of Chiropractic.
Hi everyone.
Today's Feet First topic is flat feet or overpronation. Right. Dr. Michael, what is overpronation and how can Vancouver Orthotics help with that condition?
Thanks, Emma.
Okay.
Flat feet or overpronation is when someone's feet have fallen or have become completely flat. And that could lead to a whole bunch of symptoms such as foot pain, ankle pain, knee pain, even back pain. It's important to remember that the foundation to our posture is our feet. If you want great posture, balance, and stability, we're going to need to start from the ground up, and that's with your feet.
So what can patients expect when they book an appointment with Vancouver Orthotics?
Well, we offer all patients diagnosis and treatment of the symptoms that they come in with, such as flat feet or overpronation. We use the newest 3D foot and gait scan technology, and we'll often recommend a pair of orthotics to fit into your favorite shoes.
That makes sense. Like addressing the source of people's symptoms seems like the most proactive approach.
Exactly.
Perfect. Thanks, Dr. Michael. If you'd like more information on how Vancouver Orthotics can help you in addressing your specific symptoms, please visit our website where you can book an appointment online or email us directly. You can also call the office and we'll be happy to assist you.
Thanks, Emma, and thanks everyone, and keep moving with your best foot forward.
That was Feet First with Dr. Michael Horowitz. See you next time.
Bye everyone.